Morning fellows, Ben back again with this. Not an intercom guy, never really believed in the concept of intercoms. I still don't. This came my way for free, and they really did ask me in a very nice, sweet, polite manner to review this. Again, went through YouTube, saw a lot of fellas who've already received this in different names. So the company that I got it from is called Wehigh, and there's plenty of other brands that are using this particular product. So I believe this is a manufactured, a mass-produced product in China, generic product, which is rebranded and relabeled by a lot of fellas in the Chinese market. Motorcycle accessory market. So yeah, the brand that got this to my doorstep was Wehigh, and I also will attach their website. And of course, this is an influencer marketing thing, so they have gotten me a coupon code with which, if you were to use that coupon code, I get a small commission, a very small commission, tiny amount from each sale. So just say, leaving all that aside, that is the truth. Still not a big believer in this. Don't really think this is the right thing to do on a motorcycle, listening to songs and doing and all that jazz. But because I tour with my wife, there's a lot of communication that happens with me stopping the bike and then speaking with her, or communicating to her what needs to be communicated at that moment. We use a lot of sign language, but sign language doesn't really help all the time. So thought of agreeing to having this come my way, and having them send this my way. So and that's how this is here on two of our helmets. That is an Axe or something, don't really remember, or is it an empty? Yeah, so that's an Axis. That's an Axis with one, and that's my Bell MX with another. And to my surprise, the installation was a piece of cake, like any toddler can do it, and hence I'm not making that video. Anybody can go about doing it. It's a piece of cake, it's a joke. The bloody thing works like $1,000,000. Now that is the whole point of this video. The funny thing is, this unit is pretty cheap. It's about $70 on your landing cost on your doorstep. Comes straight from China. They don't have an Indian distributor or a dealer. Comes straight from China and lands at your doorstep at about $70 or so. With my discount coupon, you may get 10% off. Yeah, I think 10% off. So $63 or something at your doorstep. But that kept aside, this bloody thing is 1/4 the price of the expensive models out there, and the tech is almost 90% same. Unbelievable sound quality, unbelievable range. The bloody thing is $1,000,000. Crystal clear, razor sharp. The music part of it was nice as well. Really nice, surprisingly nice. Very dynamic sound quality. Unlike anything that you would expect from China, Chinese manufacturing game has just gone up 2-3 notches. Wiring part of it is all very easy, pretty easy. That's the charging port. This is the main wiring harness. Volume up and down on top, power on, just a long press comes up. That's Bluetooth mode. One button at the bottom moves from Bluetooth to FM, and then another pairing mode. So yeah, there you go. Now these two fellas will start pairing. You'll have both of them pair now. There you go, they've paired. So the communication is, it's as user friendly as it can get. It's that easy, that simple, pretty cheap. On the front there is a torch light. Don't really know how to turn it on. Some long press of something, I guess. So maybe let's just see that. No, mode doesn't do much. And then there is also an SD card slot. So into the SD card you load all that you want to load, and you can keep listening to it. The speakers are fantastic. I wouldn't be making this just for the sake of the commission. I wouldn't be speaking so much. I would have just straight away told you that I got this for free, and you guys can go ahead and buy it. But yeah, this is surprisingly good quality stuff. There's a clip-on bracket that went in pretty easy on the axis, is because I could move the pad and shove it in. But on my Bell MX, I had to include the pad, pad, because I couldn't find a way to pull out the pad and then shove it in, because it was glued pretty hard to the shell. So hence it sticks out a little bit. But there is also a stick-on, like if you guys watch. So now what you can do is just push on the tab and pull this out, and this thing does not really this thing rests on the shell, not with just these clamps, but also with a very strong double-sided tape. So that's doing its job there. And the the user-friendly nature of this is just simply amazing, fellas. Very, very easy to use. Music via memory card, music via your phone if it connects to your phone, Bluetooth mode, and what else? Torchlight in the front, and intercom. And I don't know if this can pair to multiple devices. Let's just see what is written. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, there you go. Don't know if this can only be paired to one or multiple users, but if I'll mention in the video if it can be. I'll just clarify with them and then mention. Yeah, so that's it. Universal clamp, easily you can easily use on different helmets, and then very, very, very simple, easy installation. Good product. Give it a go. If you like it, you like it. You don't. There's no reason for you to not like it. There's absolutely no reason for you not to like it. Like, you can give it a shot. Bloody thing is waterproof. I haven't tested that yet. I've only tested the range and the sound quality. Everything seems fine, but we'll have to put it to test, the waterproofing business to the test, and we'll see. Yep, so that was that. If this helped, it helped. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.